My name is Nwagboso, Kosisochukwu, the convener of Met in Anambra Poetry Concert. African Sensation is kind of the December edition. 2 is the second edition. Then our theme this year is survival. So
what exactly inspired you this year?
Oh, that popular saying that coronavirus, a famous Western woman that said she looks out and she's seeing dead bodies all over the streets of Africa, and I don't even know the person, I never get to know, all over Africa and caused by coronavirus. But it appears Africans were too much affected. We survived it. So this year we actually survived. So it's all for everyone that survived this year.
Well, indeed, we all survived. So now this year's event has come to an end. What can you say? I'm sure you must have set an expectation. Was that expectation met? Was it surpassed? Was it not met? What can you say about that?
Well, I expected much, and I actually received much. It's difficult. Oh shit, tiring. Yes. Trying to put 1 or 2 things together, spending of it, and yeah, we've learned our lessons. But I actually felt good about this concert, and we actually achieved something. I want to say thank you to my team, my hosts, our anchors, the organizer, co-organizers, and everybody, members of Opinions from Africa, ABS, the Commissioner of Health that actually came, Ju, our patron, Ken Okere from Enugu, help DKHQ Medijam and Atama and all the poets that came. I'm very grateful. I'm saying shout out to all of them. May God bless them wherever they are. And I love them. Long live Opinions from Africa.
Amen. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.